Using a mobile phone while skating on the ice is dangerous to you and those around you. Please use this app responsibly, watch first and practice later. Our most important thing as we start our learning to skate, we have to be walking in a good pattern. So we've already discussed walking with the V shape in the feet, making those small steps as we go. Now, it's vitally important that we start with low to no glide whatsoever. So with each and every step that we're taking, we're pausing for a moment on 2 feet. This allows us to get a sense of our center of balance over our feet and gets rid of the slip and the slide feeling. Now, as we're trying to move on from that walking feeling, we want to get a little bit more glide in this pattern of movement. We're going to need to reduce 2 things. Number 1, the time we're spending on 2 feet, and number 2, allow a little glide to creep in. So with every step that you take, you're going to try and spend a little more time lifting the foot before you place it down. A little hesitation on one foot before the second foot meets the floor. So if we see that from profile view, I'm going to start with my very slow 2 foot to 2 foot no glide version. But now, as I want to increase my glide, I'm going to reduce that 2 foot time and just let a little glide start to creep in. So now I feel a little bit more skating going on. As we get better at that, we're going to increase that time on 1 foot between our 2 foot moments to get that skating to grow and glide further.
Recapping, let's start by stepping in a V pattern. That good pattern is well worth learning. Gradually increase the glide between your steps at a pace that's comfortable to you.